Hey everyone, it's Buddy Velastro. Welcome to my kitchen, where every meal is a chance to make memories and have a little fun. Today, I'm inviting you to join me for a breakfast that's anything but ordinary. We're about to turn breakfast into an experience with my favorite, rainbow pancakes. Forget about those plain everyday pancakes you're used to. We're going bold, bright, and totally delicious. Imagine a stack of pancakes so colorful and cheerful, they look like they came straight out of a storybook. These pancakes aren't just food, they're a celebration on a plate, guaranteed to make anyone at your table smile from ear to ear. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, a holiday, or just want to make an ordinary Tuesday feel special, a splash of color can turn any morning into a party. It's amazing how a little creativity can transform the whole vibe of your day. In my house, breakfast is more than just a meal. It's a time to laugh, share stories, and create memories together. Cooking as a family brings everyone closer, and these pancakes are the perfect way to get everyone involved. Just picture waking up to a tray of rainbow pancakes. What a way to start your morning. It's like a little surprise party, right at the breakfast table, and it sets a happy tone for the whole day. The best part? This recipe is super easy. You don't need to be a professional chef or have fancy equipment. All you need are a few simple ingredients and a little bit of imagination. It's the perfect way to get the kids involved in the kitchen. They'll love picking out their favorite colors, mixing up the batter, and watching the pancakes transform on the griddle. We're not just making breakfast, we're making edible art. Each pancake is a little masterpiece, and you can get as creative as you want with the colors and patterns. And don't worry, these pancakes aren't just pretty to look at. They're light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Top them with whipped cream, syrup, or your favorite fruit, and you've got a breakfast that's a guaranteed hit. Food should be an adventure, and these pancakes are all about letting your creativity shine. Decorate them with sprinkles, fruit, or even a drizzle of chocolate. There are no rules here. Make them for a weekend brunch, a sleepover breakfast, or just to surprise someone you love with a little extra joy in the morning. The look of excitement and happiness on everyone's faces when they see these pancakes, that's what it's all about. Those moments are priceless. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your favorite people, and get ready to bring a little cake boss magic into your own kitchen. I'll be right here to walk you through every step, from mixing the batter to adding those vibrant colors and flipping the perfect pancake. Are you ready to bring your family together for something truly special? Let's make breakfast the highlight of your day. Let's get started and make some incredible rainbow pancakes that everyone will remember. Before we start, let's get our ingredients ready. Mise en place. You'll need pancake mix, or flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, butter, oil. Food coloring, gel is best, and at least red, yellow, and blue. Grab a big mixing bowl, 6 small bowls, 1 for each color, a whisk, ladles, and a nonstick skillet or griddle. Don't forget a spatula and separate spoons for each color. For toppings, maple syrup, whipped cream, sprinkles, or fresh fruit, get creativist. Let's gather everything and get ready to mix. Time to mix. Make your pancake batter, box or scratch, just don't overmix. Divide the batter evenly into 6 bowls for your rainbow colors. Add a drop of food coloring to each bowl, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Mix until you get vibrant colors. If you only have primary colors, mix them to create the rest. Use separate spoons for each color to keep them bright. Now you've got a palette of rainbow batter ready to go. The kitchen's looking colorful. Let's heat up the griddle. We're almost ready to cook up some magic. Let's cook. It's time to turn your kitchen into a colorful pancake paradise. Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready for some fun. Cooking these vibrant cakes is as much about creativity as it is about taste. So let's dive in and make breakfast extra special. Start by heating your skillet or griddle over medium heat. You want it hot enough to sizzle, but not so hot that your pancakes burn. Give it a few minutes to warm up while you prepare your batter. Lightly grease the surface with a little oil or butter. This step is key to making sure your pancakes don't stick and get that perfect golden color. Use a paper towel or brush to spread it evenly. For classic rainbow stacks, cook one color at a time. Ladle a scoop of your vibrant batter onto the griddle and watch as it starts to bubble. Wait for those bubbles to appear all over the surface before flipping. Want to get fancy? Try pouring different colors in layers or swirling them together for a cool tie-dye effect. You can even use a squeeze bottle to draw shapes or patterns. Let your imagination run wild. Cook each side until golden brown, flipping gently so your designs stay intact. Once cooked, keep your pancakes warm in a low oven while you finish the rest. Repeat the process for every color or design you want to include. Stack them up as you go, layering the colors to create a beautiful rainbow tower. Cover the stack with foil or a lid to keep them warm and soft, so everyone gets a perfect pancake. Whether you stick with classic rainbow layers or experiment with creative designs, you're making edible art that's sure to impress. Each pancake is a little masterpiece. The kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Sweet, warm, and inviting. Now it's time to stack your pancakes high and get ready to serve your colorful creations to family and friends. Ready for the big reveal? Lift the cover and let everyone marvel at your beautiful pancake stack. It's a breakfast moment worth celebrating. Let's make this breakfast unforgettable. Share, laugh, and enjoy every bite of your colorful, homemade pancakes together. Want perfect pancakes? Here's how. Wait for bubbles all over before flipping. Use a wide spatula and flip with confidence. Keep the heat at medium to avoid burning and muddy colors. Wipe the griddle between batches for clean, vibrant pancakes. Don't overmix the batter. Lumps make pancakes fluffy. Let the batter rest a few minutes before coloring for extra fluffiness. Stack pancakes in rainbow order for that wow factor. With these tips, your pancakes will look and taste amazing. Did you know pancakes have been around for thousands of years? Even Ötzi the Iceman ate them? The world's largest pancake was over 49 feet wide and weighed 3 tons. Rainbows are actually full circles, but we only see arcs from the ground. No two people see the exact same rainbow. It's your own personal view. Share these fun facts while you enjoy your colorful breakfast masterpiece. The moment's finally here. Your vibrant homemade rainbow pancakes are ready to take center stage. After all your hard work and creativity, it's time to show off your delicious masterpiece. Carefully stack each pancake in rainbow order on a big, beautiful plate for maximum wow factor. The colors will pop and create a stunning display that's sure to impress everyone at the table. Now comes the fun part, topping your pancakes. Add fluffy whipped cream, a shower of sprinkles, a drizzle of syrup, or a handful of fresh fruit. Mix and match your favorite toppings to make each stack unique and extra special. Gather everyone around the table and watch as their faces light up with excitement and joy. There's something magical about sharing a colorful breakfast together. This isn't just breakfast, it's a celebration, a burst of color, and a memory in the making. These moments will be remembered long after the last bite is gone. Set the mood by playing your favorite breakfast tunes, pour some fresh juice, and turn your kitchen into a breakfast party. Let laughter and music fill the air as you enjoy your creation. Encourage everyone to get creative and build their perfect bite. Let each person choose their favorite toppings and experiment with new flavor combinations. Take a moment to admire your work. You did it! You've made something delicious, beautiful, and filled with love and care. Next time, try experimenting with new colors, fun shapes, or creative designs. The only limit is your imagination, so don't be afraid to get playful in the kitchen. Savor every bite, enjoy the laughter and togetherness, and happy cooking from my family to yours. May your breakfasts always be this joyful and bright.